So this is a double linear inequality because they're trying to ask you two things. They want to know, if you cover this up, when will -2 be less than this linear equation? So they want to know all the x's that will make this bigger than -2, and they want all the x's that will keep this below the 16 or equal to the 16. So I'm going to show this two ways. This way is the long way. You're going to write -2 is less than 3x plus 4, and 3x plus 4 is less than or equal to 16. And you're going to solve both of those. So let's start with the one on the right because it looks all right. -4, 3x. Now be careful. This is not equals. This is less than or equals to, and you must keep copying this symbol when you're solving. Less than or equal to 12. Remember, we are only going to flip this over if the division is with a negative number. So this divide by 3, not negative. So x is less than or equal to 4. That part is done. Over here, some people like to look at this so that the 3x plus 4 is on the left and the -2 is on the right. If you are to do that, this flips over because it's attached to this order. So this wider side must still be attached to this, and the lesser side still must be attached to the -2. So to rewrite it is 3x plus 4, the wider side, the lesser side, -2. So -4, 3x is greater than -6, divide by 3, x is greater than -2. Even though this answer came out negative, this is not dividing by negative, so that didn't flip over. So let's see if we can graph this and then make sense of it. We have -2 and we have +4. When you read this, it says x is more than -2, which means everything to the right. However, there's this word and. We have to include only numbers that are bigger than -2 and less than or equal to 4. If we're less than or equal to 4, we're to the left. If we're greater than -2, we're to the right. So the part they have in common is in between. And if you notice, this was an in-between question, wasn't it? Now we just have to decide if it's an open bracket or closed bracket. This does not have an equals, therefore it must be an open bracket, and I want to focus on the numbers to the right. So I do an open bracket. This is a closed bracket because of that equals, and I want to focus everything to the left. So I do that one. And then to translate this into into interval notation, copy the symbols and put the numbers in between them. So -2, 4, bracket closed, bracket open. Now, I'm going to do this over again, only I'm going to do it in a less cumbersome way, meaning to do it quicker. Because if you noticed, everything we did in both problems was identical. The only thing that wasn't identical was the ending number. So I'm going to show you a quicker way so you don't have to do two separate problems at once.